guys and welcome back to my channel. Today we are making a Santa puppet. So let's get started. So the things we'll need is a A4 sheet paper, pencil, rubber, 2 crayons black and red, a black marker, peach color pencil, blue, red, white, yellow, pink, orange, red, scissors and tape. So first we are going to take the A4 sheet, fold it in half like we make a card. It doesn't matter if it's perfectly lined or not. Now we take the top flap and fold it upwards. Now we take it and fold the bottom flap like that to make a guideline. Now we're going to flip it around and see, it's like that. And now we are going to take a pencil and start sketching. First we are going to make a wide U. Then we are going to add a curve on top, join them, and then another curve for the hat. You have to leave some space. Now almost connect them, but don't. We are going to connect it with a pom-pom like the Christmas hats have. Now we are going to add ears with a C and a backward C. Now we are going to draw the eyes. First we are going to draw a circle. Add 2 highlights. One is for the pupil and one is to make it look shiny. We have to color it using a black marker, the eyes, but we won't color it yet. Now I added a nose using a circle, and now I'm adding a wide U as well but longer for the beard. Now I'm adding a middle line from the inside and the top as well to make the mouth. Now I'm going to open it and connect it what line I have drawn. I'm going to do the same with the beard. Ho ho ho. Now I'm going to add an U. Add some curves to make it look like the tongue. Now this punching bag area right here, we are going to make it like that with a curve and then 2 big curves. Now we are going to add the teeth. So we are going to make 2 lines. Santa is going to have square teeth. Connect it. Add 1 line in the middle, 2 more lines in the side, 1 line over there at the corner, little tilted, and 3 lines on the top. Same with the other, 3 lines on the top. We are going to do the same with the top teeth because Santa loves cookies. Now 2 more lines there, 1 tilted line, teeth. And now we are going to add his suit. So first we are going to add the cookies. We'll draw a U, then another U and another U to make it look like the cookies. Add some cookie crumbs, add some chocolate chips. Same with the other side. The other left or right side, whichever cookie you want, you can make it a little more eaten, or you can make cookies full. You can add milk, candies. Yeah, it's definitely the same steps as we did in the last cookie. Now we are going to add the suit. So first fold it back in. Add 2 curves for his round belly. Add 1 sleeve while a curve and then a line. Add another curve for his fluffy area. West is add an arm and another. Now we are going to add his belt, a rectangle, another rectangle inside, connected, connect the other one. Now we are going to trace with the black marker. I made the eyes a little bigger because I thought they were small, and I adjusted the mouth a little bit. Now I'm going to take the black marker and trace. Definitely like the same steps what we did with the pencil. If you want, you can start with the marker, but I think pencil goes the best for me because I make a bunch of mistakes. So pencil is the best for me. We have to color in the eyes, leaving the smaller circle. Easy peasy. Ho ho ho. Now we are going to trace in the mouth. It's fine if your is not symmetrical like mine. And now we are going to color in the eyes with the black, leaving the both small circles. I accidentally covered one circle, so I had to do the same with the other one. I'm going to add eyebrows, and the nose. Christmas is the best season ever. It's so fun. Guys, this is very easy. And while outlining, you can listen to music, or it just be so quiet. But while filming a video, it feels nice. Now we are going to trace the mouth. Santa loves eating cookies. That's why he has a round belly. I made the cookies below the upper fold, or it might show. So be sure to make it under the upper fold. Now it's time to trace his teeth. Santa does not have round teeth, but square teeth. But we are going to make it anyway. Now we are doing that. That area what I traced right now, we'll color that black. I don't know why, but yeah. Add the teeth. I don't know why, but Santa's above teeth are perfectly good, and then he has some small teeth at the bottom. I don't know. It's time to trace the cookies. I am coloring the chocolate chips in. Tracing those in. Tracing that in. Tracing everything in. I will color the chocolate chips because the chocolate chips are black. If you want, you can add different toppings to the cookies. So yeah, now just adjust the eye a little bit. So now I'm going to take a rubber and rub off the pencil lines what are showing between. If you use a marker only, you don't use a pencil before, you probably don't have to do this step. But I had a bunch of pencil lines showing, so I had to do this step. That's why we got a rubber. If you want a marker, you don't need a pencil. Now we are going to color it in. First we'll take red, color the cap. You can add the fluffy area on the bottom, but I didn't have that much space, so I didn't add it. Coloring that in, yes. I don't know why the pom-pom is so small, but it was very thin, so I did that. Now we are going to take peach color pencil and color it. If you don't have peach color pencil, you can use light orange, or you can use a peach crayon. So I did remove one highlight from there because I hide it because my marker just bleeded too much. Now I'm color it in. And you'll ask, why will we need the tape? We are making this into a puppet, so we will need the tape to tape our hands behind, and it'll just help. Now I'm coloring the hands as we were speaking about the hands. Now which color will I take? Okay, orange. Now we'll take orange and lightly color it. I'll show you how to blend. After we lightly colored, we put some effort with yellow, and then we lightly go back with orange until we get the mustard color. Now I'm going to do the same thing like we did before. Yes. Coloring those chunks in. Forgot to do that before. Yeah. So now I'm just adding. If you are good at shading, you can add some shadows if you want. Now I'm going to color the tongue in this beautiful light pink color. Yeah, pink is my favorite color. Coloring it. Now I'm going to take red and color in the mouth because mouths are red. I will do shading with the black crayon. That's why we got crayons. If you're good at shading with color pencils, you can use color pencils. But I am not that great, so I will just use crayons. Coloring it in. Yes. Now I won't do anything to the teeth. I don't know. If you want, you can add shading with yellow because I don't know. Now I'm going to take the black mark color, and I'm going to do some excess over there and color in the corners because mouths are like that with black shaded. I'm going to take red and just go over that to blend it in. See, it's coming together. Okay, I'm using my finger to blend it. Now I'm going to use a smudger. If you don't have a smudger, you can use tissue paper. That's how we blend. Blending it in. Smudger even helps the white caps to go. I needed this for my atlas, so I bought it. So I have a bunch of them laying on my house. So yeah, I am blending and blending. Now I'll color this black. This part has 0 white caps in it, so I am going to smudge it with the smudger. See how the white caps are going? Magic! I do magic. Yeah. So much magic. So see, now we are going to color the suit. I'm even using a crayon for this because of the color pencil is like that, means it goes, but I'm using a crayon because even I don't want any white caps to show. Okay. Now I'm going to take blue and color in this belt. That is it. But we are done yet. Now we are going to fold the back like, see. Now we are going to take this Santa puppet, fold it, grease it, see. Now we're going to take 2 pieces of tape, one that's a little longer and one smaller. Now take one long piece of tape, stick it on your fingers. Oh no, we are taping the fingers. Don't worry, it's fine. You probably should use paper tape, but I didn't have any paper tape, so I had to use cello tape. If you want, you can use masking tape as well. But now you will have some struggles folding Santa. It even happened to me, as you can see. But you will get it. See? Nom nom. Hoo 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 hoo. Santa loves cookies. Cookie. See how nicely he's eating? I think he's eating himself. So these are the two what I made. I like both of them. You see how they are eating the cookie? Yummy, yummy.
LLS, I can spell jingle bells. I know you're impressed.
Please like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell as well.